Hi there, it's Naomi from Branching Out, and this video is going to show you how you can create a layered image within canva.com. I'm using Canva for work only because I save my branding and it's easy to resize images, but you can just use the standard free version of Canva. So all you need to do is come into Canva, select an image size that you want to use, whether that be Facebook post, Instagram, Facebook ad. I'm actually going to use an Instagram post for this one. If you use Instagram, it does tend to still look okay on Facebook and Google Plus, etc. So I'm just going to use Instagram size there. First things first, I'm going to actually put the background image in. So all you need to do is either go to a background image and pay for one with Canva, which will cost you $1 per size of image, and if you edit it within 24 hours you have to pay again. So what I tend to do is upload from another site, so I use 123rf.com. There's also Shutterstock, Getty Images, lots of different sites that you can use, and I tend to upload the images so that I can use them time and time again. So the image I'm going to create is a layered image, so I'm just going to drag an image I've got over here of these lovely tall flowers there, and then I'm just going to overlay it with some images and text. So first of all, I need to choose a shape of an image that I want to do the overlay colours on. So it's a rectangle that I'm going to use, so I'm just going to search rectangle, and it's this one here, which is like a bit of a ripped piece of paper that I am going to use for this image, and I'm just going to drag it wide like that across. If I want it to be thinner, I can just drag it right up, or choose to have it as minimum as I can across the page like that. Then I'm going to change the colour of it to be in my branded colours. Now, because I'm using Canva for work, all my branded colours are actually saved within Canva. If not, you can just click on the plus sign. If you know the hex code, you can put it in there, or you can just scroll on here to choose an image, colour, sorry, that you want. For this one, I'm going to choose pink, and I'm going to put a couple of these across this image. So I'm actually just going to copy that, move it down, and move it underneath there. Now, I can't obviously see the image that is behind that rectangle, so what I'm going to do is click on it, click down to here and click the transparency, and I'm going to drag that so that I can start to see the image through the coloured background. And then I'm going to click on this image, change the colour of that one to maybe the orange colour, and do exactly the same thing by clicking on it and changing the transparency down to, I can see the flowers through. And then the next layer to go on the top of that would be my text. So all I would do is click on text. As I said, because I'm using Canva for work, I do have my fonts uploaded, so all I need to do is click on the font that I want. If you don't have your fonts loaded, you can just choose on a layout here, or you can just go and add text and select a different font that you want to use by using this drop down menu here. Lots of different text that you can use. So this one I'm going to be using Sanchez, which is one of my fonts. I'm going to make it white. I'm going to drag it to the area that I need by just dragging it side by side there, and type some text in. So I'm just going to put some text in here to say creating a Canva image there, and then if you click off it, you can just drag it to where you want that to be, and you can click on this size and make the font bigger. So that's probably a little bit too big. Click down to 64, drag that out a little bit. So we've got that. And then I usually just go in here and click copy, so that it's got all the font saved and everything down there. And I'm going to put for social media meme. Oh, there we go. So that's the image I'm going to create. I would always advise, if you are putting images out on your social media, that I'm just going to move that screen up slightly, that you do put in your web address or your Facebook page or a link to somewhere. So I always put in branchingoutOnline.co.uk, and I'm just going to drag that to the right hand side here. that doesn't stand out, so I'm actually going to change the colour by clicking on the little icon to white. And then I'm just going to go to uploads, because I always put my little butterfly wherever that is. Here I've got the image saved in uploads already, over to there, and then to make it smaller you can just pull the corner down, drag it small and drag it across to .co.uk there. So all I would need to do to upload this to social media profile would be to click on download, save it as a JPEG or usually as a PNG, and that will download the file ready for you to upload onto social. So that's just a very quick video to show you how to create an image in Canva with overlaid shapes on the top of it and then text on the top of that. Any questions, let me know in my Facebook group or my Facebook page, and I shall see you over there. Bye for now.